Hello, welcome to another React challenge. This is day 11. Let's start. Let's see. Hover counter, okay. High acceptance rate, that means it should be really easy. Let's see. Maybe it's not easy for us. Let's see. Create a component called app. Okay, we already have that. Or it's not there. Yeah, it is there. That displays the number of times the user has hovered a button with the text hover me. Okay, so let's create a button called hover me. This is already there. Okay, great. The count should be displayed in an h1, great, element, and the updated each time user hovers it. Looks like simple use state case. Not const, yeah, const count set count equals to use state starting with 0. Yes, let's use this here. We will have to import use state. Import use state from React. Looks straightforward. Let me add margins. Class M4. No, tailwind is not working in this. It's fine. And now we have to hover it and increase the counter. So earlier we were doing it on click, and that was really straightforward for us. So now we will have to do it on hover. So for that we have on mouse enter. Let's have a look at on mouse enter JavaScript code. Let me directly do that. On mouse enter E set count +1. Let me break it into multiple lines. Why is it not working? Let's close this and fix this here. Refresh 0. Oh, I made a mistake. It should be part of button. Let's refresh. I think it should work. Let's run the test cases. If this is this, out of the 30 days, 10 days is sort of easy. Fingers crossed. Great. Okay, that's it. Hope the next exercises are a bit hard because we want to learn something, right? Even if we make mistakes. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.